Yogi, Grizzly Garage. Thought you saw the last of me for today. You were wrong. I was wrong too. So we're going to play What's in the Box? Well, what's in this box? Those of you in the know, they can take a guess. Things that'll make this thing sound a little bit more like a Harley. Because, quite honestly, it don't potato enough for me. Okay? Now, we're not going to get shovel head or pan head noises out of it. But we can get a little bit more loudness out of it. And we're sticking with performance. You saw it said tab, but I didn't go with the zombies. Went with the red lines, slip-ons. Still got a warranty, got to think about that. And going with their performance edition. The red lines are Taz performance line. Don't have to tune with them. Slip them on. Let's see what they sound like. Here's before. Alright, I was saying what's in the box. Some of y'all are going to take that literally. So, I'm going to show you pulling them straight out the box. But just rip the top off. Got the left side off. And still brand new in the plastic. So y'all can't say, oh, well, he's cut baffles or he's done anything else. Because, I will modify something. But y'all stay tuned. Gonna get it on here, let you know what it sounds like. Tab Redline slip-ons after 2025 Road Glide 117. So, you may have noticed I changed clothes, but me and the wife had to take the bike out, see how she sounded on the road. I didn't have my camera hooked up for that. It was a little impromptu thing. Had to go eat some ice cream. You know how it is, fellas. And had to hear the pipes go. Sounds really good. Really opens up, lets her breathe. But what's really nice is too, when you're at idle, at speed, it's not droning you out. It's not killing your head. But when you get on it and crack it, you got exhaust. Everyone knows you're there. So definitely recommend Tab Redline Performance Exhaust slip-ons. So far, so good. Yogi, Grizzly Garage. Y'all move on.